प्यारे बच्चों, जो कुछ करना था कर लो, अब्बू आ रहे हैं।
Hello everyone, this is your favorite Murtid. Salamul Masih, peace of Christ be with each and every one of you. I hope you guys are having fun.
Yes, brother. Muslim Prince.
Okay, propose any debate, anything, and I smack you.
Muslim Prince, are you Mumin?
What do you mean?
You don't know what is Mumin.
I don't know. Tell me.
Are you Muslim?
For sure.
For sure. What kind of Muslim?
How many type of Muslims do we have?
That's what I'm asking. Quarter Muslim, full Muslim, half Muslim.
I am a Muslim. That's it.
That's it. Okay. Can you recite Ayatul Kursi for us?
Are you here for debate or you are to recite Ayatul Kursi? Allah la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum. Which one are you talking about?
Ayatul Kursi.
I said that are you here to debate me or to recite Ayatul Kursi?
No, we want to know whether you are Muslim or not.
I am a Muslim.
If you are a Muslim, please recite Ayatul Kursi.
Allah la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum la ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm. Which one are you talking about?
Yeah, this one. Right.
So
Hey.
I said
There you
propose
go.
any debate.
Our
Yeah,
brother has
I'm
also
proposing.
come.
And I smack you.
I'm proposing a debate. Read this surah, verse. That's it. There you go.
Chapter what? Give me the chapter.
Chapter number 9. Chapter number 9.
Verse what?
128.
128. Okay, let me open it. Chapter 9, verse
Verse
28.
128.
Okay. It says that all you who believe the idol
Oh.
worshipper are polluted.
It doesn't
They
say
have
that.
not.
128. 128. No, it doesn't
Okay,
say that.
128.
Yep.
The Quran, chapter 9, has 127 verses. You don't have anything.
Right. I knew who you are. Your Quran does not have verse 128, correct?
Wow. Bhagya?
I knew who this guy was.
Nani, hey. He's
Yes,
there.
Muslim Prince. Recite 128, verse number 128.
I said 128 is not the Quran. It's not part of the Quran.
Exactly. Who told you this?
It is not from the Quran. The Quran
Yeah.
says,
Who told you? Who told you verse number 128 is not part of the Quran?
the Quran says that.
No, I have the Quran right in front of me. There is 128 verse in it.
No, those verses that you have are not part of the Quran.
Who told you this?
The Quran itself.
Yeah, Quran itself did not tell you. Somebody told you.
No, the Quran tells us.
No, Quran doesn't tell you. Quran
Okay,
is right here. This is
let
the
us go to-
Quran. This is the
let us
Quran
go
of
to-
Musaful Hafs. Which one do you read? This is Musaful
Mira-
Hafs. Which one do you read?
Miracle 19. The Quran explains itself.
Which one do you read, my friend? This Quran has it. This is Musaful Hafs. Which Quran do you read?
Those verses are not part of the Quran.
I understand. For you, it is not. So I'm asking you, who told you that?
I said the Quran itself. Do you want me to prove it?
No. Don't prove bullshit to me. Simple question. Which Quran are you reading? Who is the writer of that Quran which you are reading?
The Quran that was written by Prophet Muhammad.
The Prophet Muhammad Quran is chapter number 9, verse number 128. It's there.
No, it's not there.
It is. It's right in
No.
front of us.
No,
It is right in front of us. So you
It's
are
not
telling
from the
me,
Prophet
you are telling me that every single Muslim who read Musaful Hafs, Musaful Warsh, Musaful Kalun, and all the 32 versions are stupid, demonic idiots. And
Yes,
you
if
are
they
right.
know, listen, if they know that those verses are not there and they read it intentionally, they are stupid.
It's right
That's
here. It's right here.
That's it.
Right here. It's right here. It's
Yes,
right
it's
in
right
front of
here.
you.
No, It is not.
It is
not
right
from
in front of you.
it is not from the Quran.
So who told you that it is not from the Quran?
I said the Quran itself.
No. Somebody told you.
No, the Quran itself. I want to prove that.
You know, let me tell you who you are a liar. Lord Sahil. ये वो 19 के मेरेकल का फॉलोअर है जिसने अपने आप को बाद में
अच्छा
प्रॉफिट कहा
रशद
था,
खलीफा वाला है. ओके.
जिसने
His full
सूरह
name
तौबा
is
में से
from Rashad Khalifa.
जिसने सूरह तौबा में से आखिरी 2 आयतें निकाली थी.
हुई गेम यहाँ पे मतलब.
साहिल तू देख मैं कहां से बंदा पहचानता हूँ.
भाई मेरे को क्यों ऐसा लग रहा तू टट्टी खाने में था, तूने इसकी आवाज सुनी, तू उस दिन की तरह आधा काम करके फटाफट पटमून चला के भाग के आया कि ये मौका मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
नहीं चलेगा साहिल, ये रशद खलीफा का फॉलोअर है साला. ये 0.1% मुसल्टे भी नहीं है ये वाले. इससे क्या आयतुल कुर्सी पूछ रहा है. साहिल तुझे पता है मैं वहां पे मुद्दा रखता हूँ जहां पे डिबेट शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो जाए. बहन
2 मिनट में चेकमेट हो गया भाई. ये तो मुस्लिम प्रिंस
मुस्लिम प्रिंस
ब्रदर.
को चाहिए कि पहले जाके मुसलमानों से डिबेट करे,
हाँ
एक्स मुस्लिमों से डिबेट करने की बजाय.
एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे क्यों यार. लेकिन अपनी रीच देखो भाई कहाँ कहाँ जा रही.
अरे
जिनको
भाई,
हिंदी समझ में उर्दू समझ में नहीं आता वो भी आ रहे देख के
अरे
कि भाई ये तो तहलका मचा रहे.
इसकी इतनी दफा साहिल भाई टट्टी की है मैंने, इतनी दफा टट्टी की थी. एक दफा इसको खड़े खड़े मूत्र निकाल के दिया मैंने, इसका खड़े खड़े मूत्र निकाला है. अच्छा अब ये ट्रांसलेशन भी कौन सा लेगा? ये ट्रांसलेशन लेगा, कोई और ट्रांसलेशन नहीं लेगा. इसकी ट्रांसलेशन है द रिफॉर्म्ड ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द कुरान. क्यों मुस्लिम प्रिंस, विल यू एक्सेप्ट द रिफॉर्म्ड ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द कुरान?
Repeat the question.
Which translation of the Quran do you accept?
Let us go. Which any
Which
translation?
translation?
I said English translation
Which one?
by Rashad Khalifa.
Rashad Khalifa.
अच्छा इसके जैसे ये रशद खलीफा ने इसके जैसे कितने नमूने अपने उसमें किए भाई.
सर है थोड़े से, ये इधर ही है, वेस्ट के अंदर भी है. ये वो काला है, ये काला है, ये अफ्रीकन है. ये काला है, ये वो काला है जिसके बारे में मोहम्मद ने कहा था कि भाईजान आदम के राइट शोल्डर को हिट किया तो सफेद लोग पैदा हुए, और आदम के लेफ्ट शोल्डर को हिट किया तो ब्लैक लोग पैदा हुए, और black goes to hell and he doesn't care, and white goes to heaven and Allah doesn't care. Acha Muslim prince, tell me, in the Jannah, in your Quran or in your Hadith, in the Jannah, will there be black people?
Why not?
Why not? Give me one single verse of the Quran or Hadith that black people will be there in the Jannah. By the way, this is the Rashad Khalifa's translation that I'm showing on the screen right now for everyone. ये Rashad Khalifa की translation है कुरान की, और इसके अंदर चैप्टर नंबर 9 की वर्स नंबर 128 नहीं है. अंग्रेजी ट्रांसलेशन है रिफॉर्म्ड मॉडर्न ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ रशाद खलीफा. मैं इसे जो भी बात करूंगा, I will speak based on this translation, not anybody else's translation, because this guy is a Rashad Khalifa follower. Now, my friend, show me the verse of the Quran where I can see black people are going to go to heaven. One single
Quran,
verse.
Quran chapter 2 verse 62.
262. There you go, my friend. I am going there. Give me a second. Let's read Rashad Khalifa translation. La 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 la. What happened to? Okay, wait. Okay, let me just do 00 and 062.
Those who have just believed.
Regardless, brother, hold on. Regardless of religion, ritual, land, Gaji nationality, book follows the individual who fulfills these are the quantities attained eternal salvation. Salvation का word by the way Quran में नहीं है. Based on the criteria, Socrates who risk this life promoting, it doesn't say that black people will go to heaven as well. Give me one single verse which says black people are going to go into heaven, and you can find black people in heaven.
That's why I'm giving you now, right? The Quran says everyone who believes in Allah and the last day, every human.
No.
It says that.
No.
It says that.
No.
Okay, let us. Read
No,
it.
it doesn't. Show me where in Quran says that without color, without skin color, or it says black people explicitly, because
The
Allah said
Quran
in
says,
Quran, Allah said into Quran, Allah said into Quran, He will turn their faces black and then throw him into hell. Does Allah not say that in Quran that Allah will turn the faces black and then throw them in hell?
Let us go to the verse and I school you for free.
Okay, you school me right now.
For sure.
School me.
Okay. 62. The Quran says
School me.
everyone.
School me. School me.
God says everyone, every man, every human being who believes in Allah and the last day.
Okay, let's go Quran chapter number 3 verse number 106. 003 colon 0106. There you go. What does it say? Let's read what
Three,
Rashad Khalifa verse says. You know what Rashad
three
Khalifa
verse what?
says?
Chapter 3 verse
Yep.
what?
106.
106.
Hmm.
Okay, let us go there and school you.
You school
God says,
me. Wait, let me go there. Rashad Khalifa translator. Wait. I need to go there first.
okay. Okay, the day will come.
Oh. By the way,
They will,
in Rashad Khalifa translation, where is verse number 106?
what do you mean 106?
Where is verse number 106?
I am reading it.
In Rashad Khalifa translation, 0396, then there is missing verses, goes all the way to 105, and then goes all the way to 110. Where is verse number 106 in Rashad Khalifa translation? He made a fool out of you black people and you are following him. He omitted those verses which are racist verses against black people, and he omitted it from the Quran, and now you are following Rashad Khalifa and you are saying Muhammad is a prophet. Read me from your Quran, the Rashad Khalifa Quran, chapter number 3, verse number 106. Brother, what happened? You are going to school me. Brother, I'm waiting to be schooled. Brother, school me. Brother, I'm in the school. Please school me.
Brother is in coma.
Brother, school me. Hello, brother. Hello, brother,
That is what I'm
school
Brother,
reading.
me.
brother is
That
in
is what I'm
coma.
reading.
Hello, brother, school me. Rashad Khalifa translation, chapter number 3, verse number 106. Brother,
That is
school
what,
me.
that is what I'm doing.
Yeah, school me. Where is that verse in the Rashad Khalifa translation?
That is what I'm reading.
Yeah,
The
read.
day will
Where is
come.
it in the? Where are you reading from? Which translation are you reading? It's not in the Rashad Khalifa translation.
Yes. From Rashad Khalifa's translation.
From
Show
which
your
Rashad
screen.
Khalifa translation? Show the screen.
Show the screen. I am using the
Yeah.
phone. I'm using only one device.
Yeah, show me in the screen. Rashad Khalifa translation. It's not there.
Is there?
I can't see it. You see it? Show me on the screen.
Okay, let me read it for you.
No, don't
How
read
can I
it for
see?
me. Show me on the screen.
Why are you running, bro?
I am not running. I'm asking you to read it on the screen. I'm
That's
running.
what I'm reading.
Sahil, I am running. I am here. I'm saying show
What?
me on the screen. He's saying I'm running.
The verse says,
Show me on the
the verse says,
screen.
today. How can I show you? I'm using only one device.
I am also using one device.
So what are you talking about?
Show me on the screen what you are reading from.
I said Quran chapter 3, verse 106.
Yeah, 106.
Yes, it says
Yeah.
that the day will come when some faces will be brightened with joy, while
No, it
other
doesn't say
faces will be
Brighton.
dark.
Show me on the screen Brighton.
Look, you have go and search it.
No, it doesn't say that. You are a
It says that.
liar. Show me on the screen.
Okay, let me paste the verse for you.
Show me on the screen.
That's what I'm showing you. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go.
Tab yazu does not mean brighten. It means white.
It will brighten. Something that is brighten is
No,
white.
no, it means white. It doesn't mean brighten. In which dictionary it means brighten?
Oh, let us go to any dictionary.
Let us go to any dictionary. Perfect. I love when you say let us go to any dictionary.
For sure.
Now, if I go to any dictionary, will you accept it?
Let us go. I'll school you for free.
I am. Oh, I want to be so cool, brother. Which dictionary are you following?
I said put it. Just put an Arabic dictionary.
There you go, brother. I'll give you multiple Arabic dictionary. There you go.
Okay, let us go.
Then stop crying then afterwards, okay?
Yes,
No crying
106.
afterwards, okay? Don't cry. There you go. It says bleached
And if you can
and whitened.
and if
What
you,
should I do? There you go. Same word.
whitened.
I picked it up from
That's
chapter
what
number 3, verse number 106. I clicked here, copied. I put it in my dictionary. Here, I clicked reservoir. Here, it says bleach, bleach. This is the word. Bleached and whitened.
bleach. Yeah.
How is brightened? It is bleached and whitened. Bleached and whitened. It is white. Allah will going to send everybody in heaven, but before sending into heaven, he'll gonna
He
make
will
him
do the
white.
bleaching. He
White.
will do
Yes, sir.
bleaching.
Yeah, he'll make it white. So there is no black. There is no black in heaven.
Are you done? Let me answer.
Hmm.
The verse says, on the day when will, this is talking about the future tense, it is not going to use your own
Yeah.
black right now, whether you are yellow or black or green
Allah is
or
gonna
brown.
make you white. So
On the
black
day,
people are not going to be in heaven.
or black people will be, those who believe are going to make white.
Now
I
we are
told
getting to
you,
the point.
black
You are
people.
painting it.
I told you, black
You are
people are
painting it.
not going to be in heaven. Why did you
What do
say
you-
no?
Because you are trying to twist the verse.
No, I'm not twisting the word. So black people will
Your
not be in
brain.
heaven.
Where did you get that from? What you are
It's
trying to
from
say
the
here,
verse. You already read it. Allah is going to, Allah, whoever will go into heaven, Allah will make them white first. Correct?
white as bright, right?
White, not as bright, white. So Allah is a racist
The
God.
Quran.
The heaven only has white people, no black people in heaven.
That is not what the verse is. You're gonna
That's
run
exactly
now.
what the verse is saying.
Let me answer. Don't run. Let me answer. The verse says
Brother,
that
school me.
that's what I'm schooling you. The verse says that on the day when it will be, because Allah is gonna come. If you read Quran chapter 19, verse 71.
Wait. I already know it's a future tense. Don't tell me it's a future tense. Allah is going to put you in heaven, but He's gonna make you white first. Full stop. We already know it's future tense. So heaven only has white people. Yes or no?
Okay, it doesn't say heaven. It says on the day of judgment, not heaven.
Exactly. So white people are going
On
into
the day of
heaven.
judgment.
Okay, show
Because
me.
listen,
Hey,
let me
hey,
answer.
hey,
Ask a question.
hey. Before you
Ask a
school
question.
me, you need to learn the Quran, the basics. Okay?
That's what I'm
Now,
answering.
tell me, is there in this verse, Quran chapter number 3, verse number 106, will there be any black people in heaven? Yes or no?
Yes, I'm answering.
Then Allah is wrong. Allah is a stupid idiot when He wrote the Quran.
No, you are the one making. I'm trying to correct you, but you don't let me talk, right? The
Okay,
verse says.
talk.
The verse says that on the day of judgment, not in heaven, not in paradise, on the day of judgment, when the people who believe will be made whiten as bright, and those who disbelieve are
There
gonna
is
be
nothing
making.
called bright. I just showed you the dictionary. There is nothing called bright. White. He's gonna make it white.
Oh, are you saying are you white now? Right? Are you white?
I am absolutely not white. That's why I left this stupid demonic Allah.
So you are not white. So on the day when it will be, it is the future tense. Why did you left Islam?
Exactly, because I don't want to go into hell. Allah is stupid, demonic, racist. He's gonna make me white if He wants to send me to heaven.
The verse says it will be. It is also black
Not,
people will.
hey, silly. Everyone will be made white and people will be made black, and the black people are going to get punishment. This is the verse is saying.
Yes, those who disbelieve are gonna be made black. It is not this black.
Thank
right?
you. So
Black,
the one who disbelieve are gonna be made black and they are gonna go to hell. The one who
Yes,
believe Allah are going to be
That-
made white and they are going to go into heaven. Alhamdulillah, the heaven is all filled with white people.
White
Racist
Listen,
Allah.
don't wrong. The verse says it will be. It is not right now.
Hey, silly, we already know will be because nobody is in heaven right now. Heaven is empty. So don't
so
tell
why
me this bullshit.
so why are you, if it is in the future, why are you using it right now? The black people
Because
right
Allah is
now.
racist.
No. Do you have any proof?
Racist
No.
Allah. Racist
You don't have
Allah.
any proof. You don't
Racist
have any
Allah.
proof.
I
No.
have the proof from the Quran verse. That is why
Which,
Rashad Khalifa
which verse?
omitted it. That
Which
is
verse?
why Rashad Khalifa did not put it in his Quran
Which
translation.
verse? It is there. You are
No,
liar.
it's not there.
It
There you
is
go.
there. It
No,
is.
not there.
It is.
This is the Rashad Khalifa translation.
Website
After
you are
verse number
using.
96, 105, 110. Where is 106?
The website you are using. Maybe it is arrow website. Go to another website.
Brother, racist Allah.
No.
Racist Muhammad. Why did Muhammad give 2 black slaves to get 1 slave?
No. He never did that.
You do believe in Sunnah? You are Rashad Khalifa follower. You believe in Sunnah, right?
The Sunnah of Allah.
Just the Sunnah of Allah. Now you are a subset of Rashad Khalifa, correct? Because in the main Rashad Khalifa, he believe in the Sunnah.
No. He believe in the Sunnah of Allah.
Only the Sunnah of Allah, right? Okay,
Yes.
he is the subset of Rashad Khalifa. Okay, let's go there. So, did Muhammad do wudu?
Muhammad.
Yeah, did he do wudu?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, show me how Muhammad did wudu.
Okay, Quran 5 verse 6.
Okay, 5 verse 6. Let's go there. Look, guys, now he's going to tell us how Muhammad did wudu.
Yes.
There you go. 5 verse 6. There you go. This is how Muhammad did wudu. Do you do wudu like this?
Yes.
The Quran, which is complete and sufficient detail, describing ablution in 4 steps. We should not add more steps to it. The Arabic word which is
Only four
translated to your feet can be
Only
read
four
into
steps.
2 different ways. And
Yes.
etc. So, Arabic Quran words, he is changing. Rashad Khalifa is changing the
He's
Arabic
not
words
changing.
of the Quran.
He's not changing.
Brother, wait. Brother, wait. Brother, wait. Brother, wait. You know,
The verse says there are only 4
brother,
steps for you to do ablution.
brother, wait.
Wash your face.
You know,
Wash
brother,
your
wait.
face.
Brother, let me tell you. Let me tell you. You know, every single question that I'm saying, there is a reason that I'm saying those words to you.
Yes. And that's
Okay.
I'm giving you proof.
And I
I'm
am
giving you proof.
telling you, and that's what I'm saying. That is exactly what I'm saying. That hold on. I know what I'm doing. I was not
Yes.
born yesterday. I've
You were born
spoken many of
yesterday.
the people like you.
You are born
Okay?
yesterday.
No, I'm 7,485 years old. So
No.
what I'm saying is that Rashad Khalifa actually changed the Arabic word in
No.
the Quran to
No.
define his own meaning in a
No.
different variation.
No.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, what does your verse 5, 6 says?
There are
It's
only
on the
4
screen,
steps.
by the way. When I'm saying something, it's right on the screen.
Yes, that's what I'm answering. The verse
Yeah, read
says
it.
there are only 4 steps for you to do ablution. Number 1 is to wash your face. Number 2 is to wash your hands to the elbow. And 3 is to wipe your head. And the 4th one is to wash your feet. That's it.
Feet till where?
To the you are facing it.
Feet till where? All
To
the
the
way to the
ankle.
knees?
No.
Ankles? Where?
It says ankles. You are facing it.
In till ankles only, right?
Yes.
Are you sure till ankles only?
Yes.
Okay. Now you are not even reading Rashad Khalifa translation. Okay. Then that's it. These are the 4 things that you have to do only, right?
Yes.
Your wudu is complete.
Yes, it's complete. That's it.
No putting water in the nose, no putting water in the mouth, no putting, no, nothing. 4 things.
Nothing. Nothing. Only 4 things.
Perfect. So, all the Muslims of the world, इस बंदे के मुताबिक वजू में सिर्फ 4 चीजें करनी है. पाँव धोने
What?
हैं,
I don't understand.
हाथ धोने हैं. तुम आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू, आई एम टेलिंग द पीपल. दिस इज, ये बंदा जो अपने आप को मुसलमान कह रहा है, रशाद खलीफा का फॉलोअर, वजू में सिर्फ 4 काम करने हैं. मुंह धोना है.
That is what the Quran says.
Yeah, I know what the Quran says. कोहनियों तक हाथ धोने हैं, सर के ऊपर गीला हाथ लगाना है और अपने पाँव धोने हैं. एंड दैट इज इट. दिस इज, ये सिर्फ करना है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना है. ये इसका वजू हो गया. नाउ हाउ डू यू ऑफर जोहर प्रेयर?
What?
How do you offer Zohar prayer?
Okay, it is given to Abraham.
Okay, how do you offer Zohar prayer? That's what I'm asking. Not who is
I
it
said,
given to.
okay, it was given to Abraham, and from there, they are Muslims till now. It's two
How
rakat.
do you offer Zohar prayer?
Two
Did I
rakat.
ask you who it was given to? No, I did
I
not.
said, I
How do
said
you
it's
offer prayer? You offer Zohar prayer.
I said it is two rakat.
2 rakat Zohar prayer, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you by the way, तमाम लोग सुन ले, ये जोहर में 4 रकातें नहीं पढ़ता, 2 रकातें पढ़ता है. Okay, 2 rakat. Okay, in 2 rakat, what do you recite in the first rakat?
Surah Al-Fatiha.
And what do you recite after Surah Fatiha?
Only Surah Al-Fatiha.
And that's it, right?
That's it.
After that you go to the ruku, right?
Yes.
What do you recite in ruku?
What do you mean? I praise Allah.
What do you say in ruku? Exact words.
I said any word that I praise Allah, anything that comes to my mind to praise Allah, I'm gonna say it.
Anything. Okay. What do you say after that before you stand up?
I said to praise Allah.
That is what you do in the ruku. What do you do when you are standing up from ruku?
I'm gonna still recite the Surah Al-Fatiha.
Okay, so you are standing up and you do Surah Fatiha. No, you are wrong. From ruku, you do not go to sajud, right?
Yes.
Okay, between the sajda and the ruku, what do you say?
I said I praise Allah. Like Subhana
That is
Rabbiyal
what you do in the
A'la.
ruku. When you stand up from the ruku, what do you say?
I said I praise Allah like Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, and anywhere that I praise Allah.
So when you are in ruku, you say Subhan Rabbi al Azim. Okay, now when you said that, then you stand up and you say Sami Allahu liman hamida, or you do not say that.
I can say that. Oh, I did not say that. I can say
Do
it
you?
all.
I am asking you, do you say it or you do not say it?
I can say it and I cannot say it.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I can say it and I cannot say it.
So you can say it or you cannot say it. So do you say it or you do not say it? I'm asking you.
I said it is both. I can say it and sometimes I don't
Not
say it.
can. So what you're telling me is sometimes you say it and sometimes you do not say it, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. So say it like this. Don't tell me otherwise. Then you go to Sajud and you say Subhan Rabbi Allah, correct?
For sure.
Perfect. Now after the second rakah, you sit down and you recite something. What do you recite?
I praise Allah like Ayatul Kursi.
You praise. You recite Ayatul Kursi when you are sitting down. What else do you recite?
Only because the
What
reason is because those who
doesn't
say
matter. I'm not asking you because. So you recite Ayatul Kursi. What else do you recite before the
only
salam?
only
And then you do the salam, correct?
for sure.
Perfect. Now, all of these things that you just stated, it is recorded, it is live on this channel. Prove it from the Quran that this is written in Quran, that this is the things that you have to do in the namaz with 2 rakat in Zuhr. Please do that. School me.
Okay, let me prove it. Okay.
School me. School me. School me. School me, brother. School me.
I'm proving.
School me.
Okay, I'm schooling you. It's not
School me.
school.
School me.
It is not school, it is school, not school.
School me.
Okay.
School me, brother. School me.
Okay. The firstly, the contact prayer is be there even before Prophet Muhammad.
School me. School me. Give me the verse.
I'm answering. Okay, Quran chapter 21 verse 75.
2175. Let me just bring it on the screen for everyone because you have to school me. There you go. And we admitted
Okay.
him in to our mercy, for he was truly one of the righteous. Where are the 2 rakats?
Read it. Okay, let me open it. Let me open it. I don't know where you're reading.
So give me the right words, man. School me. School me.
That's what I'm schooling you. That's what I do for the kids.
School me. This is 2175. It doesn't say 2 rakats.
It says that.
School me. School me. School
Okay.
me, brother. I'm waiting. School me now. 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 School me.
I'm schooling you.
So school me.
Okay.
School me now. Now.
Okay. God says, Sorry, it's
No, God
22.
doesn't say. Quran chapter number 21 verse number 75. God doesn't say. Your shahada say La ilaha illallah. There is no God but Allah. So God doesn't say that. Allah said it. So don't you dare call God here. I'm gonna kick you out of this school if you are ever going to use the word God for Allah. So remember that. Always use the word Allah if you are gonna talk here. Otherwise, I'm gonna kick you out of this studio. So school me. Give me the verse. Give me the verse. Hello. Hello. Mars to earth. Mars to earth. Muslim prince. School me. Rashad Khalifa follower. Rashad Khalifa who was killed by 19 stabs in his stomach because he claimed to be a prophet after Muhammad and the Muslimin killed him. School me, brother.
He
Follower
is a
of a
messenger.
prophet who was killed by the Muslimin by using 19 stabs of a knife. School me, brother.
He is not a prophet. He's the messenger, not a
Oh,
prophet.
messenger. Oh, sorry, not prophet, not Nabi. Rasul. He was a Rasul, right? So, school me, brother. Which verse? 2 rakats. Who was killed by 19 stabs? 19 stabs to the stomach. School me, brother. Which verse?
2278. 22
Oh,
verse
not
78.
75, 78. Okay, let's go to 2278. Okay, brother. Okay.
Okay.
2278, brother. Okay, 2278. Strive. Jahidu fi sabilillah. And jihad karo in the way of Allah. Brother, 2 rakat. You have to show me 2 rakat. What are you doing? You are telling me jihadu fi sabilillah. 2 rakat.
Continue.
Let me bring the Sahih International Translation. Okay. He has chosen you and not the religion difficulty, the religion of Father Ibrahim. He named you Muslim, etc. etc. The messenger will be witness over you. So establish prayer, give zakat, and he is your protector. Where is the 2 rakat?
Stop. Establish prayer. God is telling Abraham
Where
to
is
establish
the
prayer.
2 rakat of Zuhr?
I'm answering. Let me answer. God says to Abraham
Answer.
that he should. God says to Abraham that he
Abe,
should.
listen, don't tell me Abraham, give me 2 rakat. Where is 2 rakat?
That's what I'm giving you. God says
Where
that
is 2
you should.
rakat?
God says that you should establish the contact prayer. So it was given to Abraham. So the prayer started during the time of Abraham, right? So this is what we have been doing.
Listen. I'm getting tired of you. There is nothing called 2 rakat in this verse. Where is the 2 rakat in this
You are
verse?
facing it. God says we should establish the contact prayers. He's telling Abraham.
Where are the 2 rakats?
You are facing it.
Where is it written 2 rakat?
You are God says that He gave Abraham the contact prayer.
Muslim, God, hey, Muslim prince, Rashad Khalifa follower. I don't care Ibrahim, I don't care Muhammad, I don't care Musa right now. What I care is 2 rakat. Where can I read 2 rakat?
So you don't care what the Quran says? The Quran
I
is giving
care what the Quran says. I'm looking to find 2 rakat.
That is what I'm giving you. God has
Where
already
is
given
it?
Abraham. God gave
Where
it to
does it
Abraham.
say? Listen.
Where is the number, brother?
Where
Where is the
is
number?
the number 2 rakat?
Don't run. God says to Abraham, He gave him the contact prayer. So the contact
Oh
prayer
my
has
goodness.
been given to Abraham. So Abraham is the one that lead it to us, and this is what we have been doing.
Hey, where
Brains, where is number two in this
number
in
2
this ayat?
rakat? Where is it? Where is 2 rakat?
Okay, you mean that you want exact word?
2
Yeah.
rakat. You said in Zohar you read 2 rakat. Where does it says 2 rakat of Zohar prayer?
God says He takes it to Abraham.
उल्लू के पठे बैंड चोद इब्राहिम लन देनी का 4 रकाते पढ़ा था 2 रकाते पढ़ा था.
God says He gave it to Abraham.
ओके इतनी यार दल्ला है ये. मुझे पता है दल्ला
अरे
है.
लेकिन तुम हिंदी में क्यों बोल रहा है उसको क्या?
क्योंकि मैं अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल रहा था. अबे साले को साहिल इस साले से पूछ इब्राहिम को 2 रकाते दी थी या 4 रकाते दी थी या 8 रकाते दी थी. मुझे 2 दिखाई जो ये पढ़ता है.
अच्छा ठीक है मैं पूछता हूँ. मुस्लिम प्रिंस चला गया.
क्योंकि उसे पता है वो नहीं दिखा सकता. साहिल इस तरह के मैंने बहुत डंगरों से बात की है यार. ये वेस्ट में बहुत है डंगर ये वाले. बहुत ज्यादा आ गया आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. असल
मैं
में
बोल रहा हूँ इसको हिंदी आती नहीं. ये हिंदी में क्यों बोल रहा है? باپ رے باپ, میرے کو نہیں لگتا اپنی کوئی بھی ایک بھی اسٹریم ایسی آتی ہے جس میں کامیڈی نہ ہو بھائی.
نہیں تو اس سے بڑا اچھے طریقے سے بات کرا, تجھے پتہ نہیں ہے بہت بڑا ڈنگر ہے.
وہ سمجھ گیا بھی سن کے کہ کتنا بڑا ڈنگر ہے وہ.
تجھے پتہ نہیں کون چیز تھی ہے, میں نے ڈنگر سے بات کیا. اصل میں پتہ کیا, یہ اسلام میں سنیوں کے اندر یہ جو حدیثوں کی مسئلے مسائل سارے آئے ہیں نا,
ہاں
ویسٹ میں رشاد خلیفہ کے فالوور بڑھ رہے ہیں. جیسے اس نے کہا نا اسکول یو, میں نے کہا مجھے پتا لگ گیا کون ہے. یہ سٹیٹمنٹ جو ہے نا, یہ رشاد خلیفہ کے فالوورز کی بیسک سٹیٹمنٹ ہے.
بولتے ہی بولتے جیسے وہ
ہاں
جیسے انجینئر مرزا والے پھکی پھکی کرتے رہتے ہیں ویسا لوگ اسکول کرتے رہتے.
بالکل. اب جیسے ہی بات ہوئی نا, میں نے کہا مجھے, اب میں سے پوچھوں گا نا تو رشاد خلیفہ فالوور اس نے ماننا نہیں, تو میں اسے کیسے پتا کروں. میں نے کہا 9 کی 128 پڑھ کے دکھا سالے.
وہی ختم ہو گیا.
ان کو پتہ نہیں ہے میں ان کا باپ ہوں اس معاملے میں. God gave to Abraham. ابے 2 رکعتیں تم لوگ 4 کے لیے 2 رکعتیں پڑھتے ہو, قرآن میں 2 رکعتیں ہے ہی نہیں. کس نے بتایا تمہیں؟ رشاد خلیفہ نے. بولنا اس نے بتایا.